The CRAFTSMAN, the DEWALT or Porter cable, perhaps the Metabo or the Ryobi? Which one should you buy? In this video, I will be looking at the top 5 brad nailers available on the market today and will tell you which one is best for you. As an outdoor enthusiast and mountain biker who loves testing gear, my review is based on quality, features, and value for money, giving you the best advice to help you pedal forward faster and further. If you'd like more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best brad nailers. The 5th product on this list is the Porter Cable 20V Max. This is a brad nailer kit with multiple settings that helps you get more done. It runs on batteries, which makes it a very convenient option. It gives the same amount of firing power in different materials and weather conditions. This product is made to be light and has a good center of gravity so that the user can be comfortable in a variety of positions and feel less tired. We like that it has 2 LED lights that can be used to light up the workspace and show when something is wrong. Moreover, this cordless brad nailer doesn't need a compressor, gas cartridges, or a hose to use it. With its battery operation, small size, and low weight, this handy unit allows you to work comfortably in a variety of positions during those long sun-up to sundown work days. Its pros are, it is designed to increase productivity in the workflow, it is very portable so it is easy to hold when doing a project, and it has multifunctional LED lights that indicate errors. However, the battery and charger are sold separately, which is just irritating if you don't already own other Porter cable tools. The Porter Cable 20V Max is a convenient device for a range of DIY projects around the house. Up next, in 4th place, is the Ryobi P320 Airstrike. This brad nailer system presents the next generation with cordless convenience. It features Airstrike's technology, reducing the need for noisy compressors, bulky hoses, or expensive gas cartridges. This means that it gives you a faster setup and easier maneuvering on the job site. One thing that we particularly like is that it has twin LEDs positioned on each side of the tool and is simply activated by grasping the hex grip handle. It provides a light that shines directly onto your work surface right where you are nailing. Since the light is coming from both sides, the shadow is kept to a small area just outside the strike zone. Another thing to love about this product is that it has an integrated belt clip. It is designed nicely and wide to fit over thick tool belts and traditional belts or waistbands. What's more, the pressure adjustment and drive dial allow you to set the depth to suit almost all types of wood. Lastly, it has a toolless jam release for easy access to clear nails and a contact actuated mode for production, which speeds up to 60 nails per minute with a dry fire lockout to extend the tool's life. Its pros are, it has technology that reduces the need to use noisy compressors, it has 2 lights that help you see better when working, and it has adjustable pressure that enables you to tune the firing depth. However, with the battery included, it weighs about 10 pounds, so it's not the easiest to handle when you need to reach up above your head. The Ryobi P320 Airstrike would make an excellent addition to the gear of any at-home handyman. If you haven't found a brad nailer that meets your needs yet, well, keep watching because I have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of my next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Metabo HPT MultiVolt. This next unit is a compact cordless 18-gauge brad nailer that allows the users to go cordless and quickly move around the job site without hoses or compressors getting in the way. It is 30% more compact and 31% lighter in weight than the older version, and offers a driving speed of up to 3 nails per second, saving valuable time and increasing productivity. One thing we love about this cordless nailer is its versatility. It can be used for various applications, including molding installation, cabinet assembly, wainscoting, chair rail, window, door casings, and decorative trim. We appreciate that it employs a unique air spring drive system that uses compressed air to drive each nail, resulting in 0 ramp-up time and increasing operating speed and recoil. It feels like a pneumatic nailer. This pneumatic-like feel is combined with the convenience and power of the 18 volts or multi-volt battery. It also features a brushless motor, low battery indicator, selective actuation, toolless jam release to prevent dry firing, and an LED light. This is a great option when you need the utmost user-friendliness for DIY projects. Its pros are, it can be used for various applications thanks to its adaptable and user-friendly design. It utilizes a unique air spring drive system that makes it feel like a pneumatic nailer, and it is very light at only 4 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. However, it has an inconsistent battery runtime. The Metabo HPT MultiVolt is a well-designed tool that makes tiering projects a breeze. The second product on this list is the CRAFTSMAN V20. Here's a brad nailer kit with features and specs well worth discussing. It is an excellent choice for home, garage, or even job site projects. You can use it with baseboard replacements ending with molding, floor trimming, and all kinds of home remodeling projects. You'll love that it has an ergonomic design and comes with nails, a battery, and a charger, making it great value for money. Another thing that we like is that it has a no-mar pad that will keep the surface from getting scuffed by the tool, and it has various tool features, which includes depth adjustment and jam clearance, which also simplify operations. Moreover, switching between firing and actuation modes is designed to be simple enough to accommodate your project's requirements. It also has an optimized center of gravity, which you will find comfortable when carrying it around, and a contoured molded handle that is specially designed for long hours of use and can help reduce fatigue. Its pros are, it comes with everything you need to get started, it has a protective no-mar pad which keeps your surface scuffed, and it is well balanced and has a contoured handle that reduces fatigue. However, it is not the fastest tool on the market as it needs time to cool down between uses. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is a reliable unit that gets the job done. It's perfect for home use and light contractor work. Before reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below this video for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top brad nailer is the DEWALT 20V Max. We can't make a list of tools without including DEWALT, and this 18-gauge brad nailer is hard to beat. It is perfect for fastening decorative molding, casing, kitchen crown, and shoe molding. When there are both big and small jobs to do, this cordless tool provides the power and freedom you need. It has a brushless motor that is powered by a lithium-ion battery and is ready to work without having to use gas, a compressor, or a hose. One of the things we like best about this product is how long it lasts. You can use it all day on a single charge without an issue. The micro nose of this brad nailer is another bonus. It makes it easier to see where the nail is going and makes it easier to place the nail accurately. What's more, we like how the tool-free depth adjustment lets you countersink nails precisely, and the tool-free jam release lets you get rid of jammed nails quickly and easily. Additionally, it has LED lights that can be used for more than one thing. These lights help light up the workspace and let you check the status of the tool. You can also move the belt hook to the right or left side, depending on how you like to work. Lastly, the low nail lockout will stop you from firing without a nail, preventing damage to the tool and helping you avoid leaving marks on your project. Overall, we think that this is the most comprehensive and reliable brad nailer on the market today. Its pros are, it is a versatile tool suitable for a range of projects, it has an efficient brushless motor that is powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, it has a micro nose and LED lights that improve accuracy, and it has a tool-free depth adjustment and jam release, making it easier to use. However, the tip is quite sharp and made of hard plastic, which can dent soft wood like pine if you are not careful. The DEWALT 20V Max is a high-quality and brilliantly designed tool that is effective for both DIYers and professional contractors. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.